Hello viewers, today I'd like to introduce you to a year 2007 Delica D5 4-wheel drive 2.4 petrol, and this is a lift up. How it is lifted up is by the body lift, which, as you can see, there is a 1.5 inch body lift up, front and rear. Also comes with all-terrain tires with a good looking MK rims, all in black. Non-accident, straight, tidy body. Just have a few marks just over here. Basically a very nice car. I've driven it for about 20 kilometers. It drives very smooth. It comes with nice black seat covers. It's a 7-seater. It's all fitted the nice high quality seat cover. The mileage is 128,000 kilometers. Comes with reverse camera. Comes with power slide door. So it was introducing to you to a 2007 lift up, binder lift up Delica D5. Thanks for watching. Bye.